Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app and make sure that you will be on the video mode. So simply tap on the video, and if you can see that the shutter button is red, then we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and on the second position we've got video quality, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. Now we've got FHD applied, but we can also set HD, VGA and CIF. Of course it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, but I highly recommend to leave FHD because this is the best possible quality, and thanks to this your videos will be much prettier than in other qualities. But of course if you like to change, then no worries, you can do it. All you have to do is simply tap on the option, and let me check this one because I'm not really sure if you've paid attention to the camera lock, but after changing the quality the camera will also change a little. So let me pick this one. As you can see, it immediately changes. Let's get back, and the camera look is a little bit different because right now it is still rectangular, but it is much smaller, and it is not elongated to the full screen. I will show you again in order to compare. And as you can see here, we've got totally another look of the camera. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.